Hi, and welcome to RN by Inside Learning Hub. This is the 16th video of Java series and second part of the collection series. In this video, we will continue the collection interface. So as we discussed in earlier video, the all the part of the collection interface, the list interface, set interface, queues interface, and all the things. Hope you watch the previous video. If you not watched, then I'm requesting you please watch the previous video before the watching it. So let's begin. In this video, we will learn about the list interface. We will only focus on the list interface. We will learn all the functionality, all the feature of the list interface. So let's discuss. So let's uh, move into theoretical part first. So in Java, in Java, sorry, in Java, the list interface is an ordered collections that allow us to store and access elements sequentially. Okay, sequentially. Okay, it's extend the collection interface as already discussed with you. Since list is a interface, so we cannot create an object. Why we not can create an object for the interface? You have to watch the previous video of the interface from this series. We have already discussed, we have already covered about the interface, why we not cannot create an object of the interface. Okay, so please, I'm requesting again, please watch the previous videos about the interface, about the classes, what is the difference between interface and classes. Okay, so in order to use the functionality of the list interface, we can use these classes. The first is we will learn in this video list, array list, linked list. Third one is vector. Fourth one is stack. Okay, and in the list we will learn about the all the method which is already defined under it, under the interface. So the uh, method would be add all, get, iteration, set, remove all, clear, and all the things we will cover. Size to array, all the things we will cover in it. Okay, so let's open the Eclipse. So we will show the practically. Okay, practically is more understandable as the theoretical part. In earlier video, we will we sorry we discussed only the theoretical part. We discussed on the introduction part only. Okay, hope you watch my earlier video. Guys, I'm again saying that this is a very important topic. This very important topic is purpose of the Java developer and the QA purpose. Okay. Okay. We will move into the our RNY YouTube channel videos. Okay. So as we creating all package for the you know for the topic wise, so I will create a topic or the collection framework Okay, and the second, my second would be second collection would be 1 second, not a class. I will create a collection interface. Okay, collection interface, and now I'm creating another package, the list interface. Okay, interface, and now my third is my third list interface is okay. Now I'm creating a class under the list interface package. Okay, array list. Okay, so list or array list. So this is more preferable. Okay, here, and we will cover set. Sorry, 1 second. We will cover set. We will cover queue. Okay, queue. Okay, now just focus on the list interface for now. So now I'm creating a list interface object. Okay, I'm taking I'm taking some integer variable. Okay, integer. So this are the counting. Okay, counting, and new array list and integer. Okay, this will be the syntax of the implementation of the array list. Okay, so now we you can see here we are getting an error message. So why we are getting an error? Because we not import the class, the parent class, which is comes from the java.util. Okay, the java.util.list, the list interface coming from the java.util.list interface. Okay, so and now we require the import of that class, the list interface. So now just mouse over on that, and you will get an option to get the required class. Okay, so now java.util.list. So this, that means this array list is also available in the, okay, util, under the util. Now this is a variable. This variables is now available to storing the integer type of data with in the list form. Okay, so we can now we can store the multiple integer data in the single variable. Okay, as we are already learned about the array, we can achieve this this with the help of array. But this is a another method, another technique to storing the data, multiple data. Okay, how can we use? So we have a method which is array, sorry, array variable name, and we have so many method, as you can see, the list is showing in the last. That means this is a variable, this is the method, this is a parameter which is the required This is a method, this is a parameter, this method is required, and this is a boolean type. Okay, okay, and the list is under the list. That means this method is coming from the list class list. Okay, and now we have so many method: contains all, equal, for each, get, has, index, is empty, iterator, all the, so many methods. We will cover everything one by one. Okay, that's sequentially. Okay, now I'm going to add this. Okay, I'm going to add this one is semicolon is error gone. Okay, and now I'm going to, for example, just I'm trying to trying to explain how to use this, how to store element 9 and 10. Okay, and now how to print this. So if we are going to, now let's see, if we are print like this, so how will be the output. Now see, now you can see here all the output is coming successfully, but as you can observe here, this output is in a array form. Okay, as you can see, the bracket is the bracket indicate that this is an array. Okay, so as already this is an array, so we are storing the integer element in an array. Okay, in array. So either how can we achieve, how can we fetch the every element one by one, this element and this element and this element one by one. Okay, so now, as hope you have watched the earlier video. Okay, that's I'm saying again and again, why you need to watch the earlier video, as because we have covered everything in any detail. How can we fetch the multiple value, sorry, one each value one by one from the array for the helping of for each loop. Okay, so we have so many method: for each loop, for loop. So I will show again, but you have to watch the previous video to more for more detail. Okay, don't jump don't jump directly on this topic, guys. Please watch the basics concept which we are already discussed in the previous video, so it will very helpful to you to understand this topic. Okay, all this topic is very important as purpose of the interview, as purpose of the your career, your automation. So now I'm uh, I'm starting from the zero, as because as already discussed, array is starting from the zero element, and I is less than is counting dot size. This size method is coming from the list. Okay, list interface. Okay, this will return as an integer, this will return integer. Okay, so guys, why I'm showing like that, why I'm explaining like that. Suppose you are facing an interview. Okay, you are taking an interview somewhere, some company, and the interviewer uh, provide you the system and write and said that write a program. Okay, you write a program and your program executed. Okay, but whenever the interviewer asks the explanation of your code, so how to explain? So this technique is very very hard. Is come from the practice, day by day practice. So this keyword, this whenever you use the keyword, your selection chances very increase. Okay, now plus plus, that means I'm starting from the zero, and I'm go till the end of the size of the array, and plus plus, and every element will get one by one. Now I'm showing. Okay, now 1 second. A, no, counting. Okay, A. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. This is not our element. This is the array number. Okay, this is the array number. Okay, displaying an error because this type of action must be an error. 1 second. Dot get index. This will get output. Okay. Now, okay. So you can see 1, 2, 3. We have a get method. We have get method. Add means we are adding the element in this variable. Okay, and get means we are fetching the element from the array. So we learn two things, which is add and get. So now I am counting. Okay, dot remove index, which will be removed. So I'm taking another example for 1, 1, 1, 2, better understand to you, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, and 1 second, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, and 9, 10. Okay, 11. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 15, and 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, now why I write this type? Because for identify which element is removed from the list. So let's second, we got everything. So I will first, this is our previous element. Once I will note in the notepad. So this is our previous before remove an array, an element from array. Okay, so I want to remove this from this list. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this element address is is 0 1 2 3 4 5 5. Okay, so I will remove the 5. 1 second. Counting dot remove index is 5. Okay, now again I'm taking this line again and printing this. Okay, and second, this comment, and before remove an array, an element. Okay, and after. Okay, this will go. Now run the code. So everything is fine. Okay, now fine. Now let's see. Move perfectly. Okay, now 9 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 fine. 3 4 5 3 4 5 4 5 6 4 5 6 5 6 7 5 6 7 7 8 9 7 8 9 9 10 11 9 10 11 11 is not there. Okay, 1 1 1 is there. 1 3 4 5 1 4 1 5 is there. 1 5 1 6 1 7 is there. And that means we remove successfully. Okay, so with the help of remove method, we can remove the element as per the given index number. This is the index. Okay, all the is indexing. Okay, now we have another method which is for each loop. For each loop, with the help of for each loop, we can iterate everything, every element. For int I, okay, counting, not counting, okay, and so I. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we can iterate every element with the help of counting. Okay, and whenever we change the variable name string, now we will get an error. Okay, that because this list is now available for the string data type. Okay, so we can store only the string value in it. Okay, as soon as we store ram, okay, Syam, okay, Sita, Geeta, Amit, Sumit, Ramesh, Sushil, okay, and Ashok, Vivek, and Arun. Okay, this here unique name of why this code. Okay, now this will be now string. Now run again. Okay, 1 second. Run again. Okay, now Ram, Syam, Sita. So this list is print as is it, not alphabetically, not not sorting form. Okay, as it is. Now which remove is Sumit. Sumit is not there. Okay, I remove my name from the list. Okay, done. Okay, so hope you understand the list of the list feature, how why we are learning about the array. Sorry, not array, not collection interface. Okay, now the second is list and linked list. Linked list. Okay. So as simple as that, I am copying all the things as it is. Changing second for time saving, to save the time. Okay, just linked list. Okay, linked list, and now linked list and linked list. Now this is not required. Fine. Okay, now this time saving. Simple is that. Okay, I am taking this method. Okay, now print this. Okay, now what is the difference between array list and linked list? The linked list, it is used to doubly linked list internally to store the element. Okay, it can store the duplicate element, it maintain the insertion order, and is not synchronized. Okay, in linked list the manipulation is the fast because no shifting is required. Okay, and the list, in list the array list class implement the list interface. It is use a dynamic array to store the duplicate element of the difference data type. Okay, the array list class maintain the insertion order and non-synchronize. The the element stored in the array list class can be randomly accessed. Okay, now the we will explain more in the coming video. Okay, now stack list stack. So I'm going to copy all the things. It's not difference, the implementation and the, you know, list, not list, and copy the list. Everything is so, okay, and stack. Okay, now I require to implement. Second, java.util dot stack. Okay, now error is gone. Now run this, and now see. Okay, so the stack is the subclasses of the vector. Okay, it implement the last in first out data structure. The stack contain all of the method class classes, and also provide its method like boolean push, okay, boolean peek, boolean push, and all the things. So now this is not this is not the list, the stack method. I use this, copy paste. So now I'm going to push means I'm uh, adding the you know adding the element on the stack. So now this is the core, this is a pure stack variable. Okay, so now once, sorry, push push means add the element push. Okay, now read this. One second. Okay, push an item onto the top of the stack that has exactly the same effect. Okay, so this definition is very complicated as per the Eclipse, as per the Java doc. So push means we are adding the new element. Okay, okay, now run this. Okay, now whenever we have another another interface in the Java collection interface, iterator. Okay, iterator iterator iterators. Okay, now I am going to string iterate. Okay, iterate all element. Okay, stack counting dot iterate. Okay. Why we are getting back as travel. Travel I iterator. Iterator. Okay. This will need to. Okay, now so while loop, we are using a while loop, and iterate all the element dot next. Okay, this is another way to fetch the all the element from the stored. As next, I will explain once again. We run this. Okay, now everything is fine. So while loop, the iterator will store all the things in this, iterate one by one this all the element and store in this variable. And now we are fetching the all element from the iterator variable. Now has next return the true if the iterator has more element in the list. Okay, and we are printing the next element one by one. Okay, okay, now we have another, as we have remove method in another, previous, we see the remove method in previous uh, array list. We have another method which is pop, counting dot pop. Pop means remove the object as per the given element pop. So I want to remove Amit. Now Amit. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 4. Fourth element. Okay. Okay. So this is not required. So without now going to print first. So now we'll explain. Now Ram, Syam, Sita, Geeta, Amit, Sumit, Sushil, Ashok, Vivek. Which one is removed? Arun. Arun is not there. So that means Arun, why the Arun is removed? As because as per the element Arun is the on the top. Okay. So remove random. Now run again. Now this time again the Arun is removed. Okay. So remove the object which is on in the top in the list. Okay. Okay. So now I leave the vector concept in for you. So please practice the vector concept. If you face any issue during the learning the vector, please put your comment in the comment section. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understand the topic what I'm trying to explain you. Okay. I hope you will like this video. To show your response, please hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive the notification for the updated videos. I would be glad to receive your feedback, your suggestions and queries in the comment section. Guys, I'm as already told in so many videos, I'm not a professional guy. I'm working professional. I'm working in very reputed organization. I'm just trying to share my skills. I know so many videos related to Java, related to software testing, but I'm just trying to share my knowledge of what I have or what I understand so far, what I learned so far in my career. Okay, so guys, I hope you support me. To show your support, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks.